Come. Oh, what is it? Doggy. Yeah, loves doggies. Let's go look at the water. Let's go look at the neat waterfall over here.
Look at the birdie.
Oh, Audrey, I see giant fish
Fish.
called koi.
Fish.
Come look at the koi with Grandpa.
Oh my golly, look at this.
Wow.
Look at how beautiful.
Maybe
that
Grandpa can hold you up.
was. Wow, looky.
Oh boy.
Look at that.
Aren't those fun? Audrey, what do you think?
Isn't that beautiful?
Wow.
Is that a birdie? Is that a birdie?
That's not a real birdie,
There's
is
gold
it?
And
No.
silver fish. Oh, it's not a real birdie.
We do have blue cranes, blue.
Look at all the fish over there.
Oh, look. Those are gorgeous. Is that exciting, Audrey?
That's a beautiful fish.
Audrey, can you say fish?
Fish?
Audrey.
Can you say fish?
Caca. Hey. She's mesmerized
Yeah,
by the
really.
koi. Audrey. Where's Grandpa? Where's Grandpa? Can you poke Grandpa's nose? Can you beep Grandpa's nose? Where's Grandpa's nose? Oh, see, now that she sees the koi, there's no stopping her.
Aren't they pretty?
Oh, Audrey, look behind you. Look, what is that? Right there.
Oh, that's a doggy.
Doggy.
Wow. It's a beautiful
Yay. He's beautiful. Oh, will he come here and can we pet him? You can put her down maybe. Hi, buddy.
Beautiful dog.
Oh my goodness, you are. His name's Jake?
Yeah, sit, Jake.
Oh,
Good
boy.
can you
Good
pet?
Say
Can
hello,
you pet
Jake.
him? Hi, Jake. Yeah. Oh, look at what a sweet boy.
He gets, all his sense goes out his head when he sees little guys in the gray suit.
Oh, otherwise known as squirrels.
Yeah, he knows that name, but
Oh, he does. He knows that word. He's super smart.
yeah, he's
What do you
better
think?
about it.
Can you pet him? Say hi. Oh, there's another
If they don't
dog.
twitch and run,
Oh.
he's not, you know, it's apt to go bad.
You mean if they stay completely
Yeah, if they
still
stay still and just look at him, then
Yeah.
it's nothing but